Hello everyone, welcome to Shining 3D's intraoral scanning course. Today we will be focusing on pre-op scan. You may have noticed an option during the order creation step that allows users to choose whether to include a pre-op scan. We highly recommend activating the pre-op function, particularly in situations where the patient is used to their current bite and tooth shape. By capturing pre-op intraoral scan data, which can be duplicated during the restoration design process that prevents the potential post-treatment discomfort. Let's walk through the operational process. Step 1. During the order creation process, choose Scan a Pre-op mode and initiate the scan. Step 2. In the scanning interface, follow the instructions to capture the pre-op data. Step 3. After performing any necessary treatment, such as decade removal or tooth preparation, return to the scan software. Step 4. Complete the scan of the antagonistic and the bite scan. Step 5. Then go back to the working drawer scan process. Digging a hole to remove the data at the position of the restorative tooth. Step 6. Rescan to capture data of abutment tooth. In this way, we can not only get pre-op and normal intraoral data, but also minimize the time required for rescanning. Now we've got a project which includes both the pre-op scan and the normal scan. We can import both sets of data into dental design software for further processing. That's all for it today. Thank you for joining us.